Be your staff, it's a superstar. Share and like this video. This is day 19. I'm with Zia, and this is eating an oatcake.
Oh, that garlic pepper, really?
Yeah.
Game changer in the oatcake, real garlic.
You've got mine. We've got the wrong one here. We've got the wrong oatcake.
Can't get the snap.
That's better.
Ooh, that's lovely.
better.
Oh, taste ketchup now.
There you go. You got your red sauce back now.
Didn't even notice.
Oh.
And I don't like brown sauce.
Oh. How's that, Zia?
Absolutely fantastic.